You are Thor, the god of thunder. But is not thunder just the sound of lightning?
You're not brave. Men are brave.
You're next, Odin's son!
That's the sound of lightning.